I turned $150 into $61,000 in 2 months. Crazy work, right? Listen, God has been too good to me and my family, and I know He's gonna be good to you. Listen, I had to learn things like stewardship, management, all of that got me to this point over time. It wasn't an overnight success. I've been doing this thing over 11 years now, and it's been such a blessing to my life. So never give up on this thing, all right? I got so much to talk to y'all about today, and I just gotta get into it. But before we even get straight into it, you know I gotta give you a scripture of the day. 1 Peter chapter 4, verse 7. The end of all things is at hand. Therefore be sober-minded, self-controlled for the sake of your prayers. Listen, there's so much going on right now. You already know the plane crashes. You already know future blackouts coming. All kind of crazy just going on, man. It's a lot going on this earth that I can't even get into right now. But tomorrow's not promised, you know what I'm saying? Your last breath is not promised. So always make sure you locked in with the Lord 100%. Make sure you're asking for forgiveness, repenting of all your sins and turning away. You know, make sure you're not just focused on the money, but focus on Jesus first. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day. Now, again, I just withdrew $20,000, y'all, from the market. This is $40,000 because you remember I withdrew another 20 before. Off of it, and it's just been a crazy time. Listen, this is me getting the fruits of my labor over all this time and learning so many different things about myself. I tell you all the time, all you got to do is start to learn while you lose, learn yourself, learn what's messing you up, and over time it gets better. The system, speaking of the system, y'all listen, the system has been a blessing. All right, it's been working for so many people. It may not be working for everybody, and guess what? It may just not be for you, but again, it works because I use it all the time. And so many testimonials are coming in every day. But I will say this about the system. It will go on sale from this video because so many people keep asking me, am I going to do another sale? So yes, from this video to March 14th, I'm going to do a sale. $275 one time, but this is the last sale that you're going to get on the Zones software until maybe November, right? Black Friday again, right? And I don't even know if I'm gonna do it then. So from this video, this is the last one because people just keep asking. And I know y'all been wanting it. It's tax time, people getting their bread. So cool, let's do it. All right, but I will, in this video right now, I'm gonna show you 3 different days where I made $2,000 a piece. I'll go over the strategies and this and that and the third. But this journey, y'all been on it with me. If you're brand new, I'm Jay Cash, you know what I'm talking about? Y'all been on this journey with me. Y'all been seeing the growth, people in my group, y'all been seeing the growth, me growing these accounts like crazy. So I'm not gonna get into everything, but it's just been a crazy, crazy journey. And God is too good. So let me get right into these videos and we'll chop it up. All right, y'all, so this first trade, I hopped straight in. As you can see, we had a lot of zones over here to the left, a whole lot. So I felt super confident in getting in this one, only because of all the zones and, you know, it rejected before. So I always, you know, recommend anything that has a lot of zones to the left, be more confident in your trading. So that was the first trade. That was a go. All right. So then I started looking around, found another one. All right, fairly quickly. I hopped in this one as well. Same thing. You know, a lot of zones to the left, pretty heavy ones. You know what I'm saying? A lot of buy activity, as you can see here, over here to the left, and the point at the bottom. You can just see a lot. So hop straight in that one. Didn't get that one. All right, so I had to double up again right after, right? So people ask me all the time, do you wait? No, usually I get in right after, you know what I'm saying? And then I'll keep marking up more zones at the bottom, you know what I mean? Just in case. So this is my second entry. I always recommend doing the 4 entry rule, whether using the zone system or just trading manually, right? And be confident in what you got going on, right? So that trade went, so we were good. Then I seen this one right here. I marked these up like purple, because they M15 zones, just kind of give me some clarity on which zones was which, because sometimes I get confused. So since we were heading to major M15 zones, I'm like, cool, let me hop in on this trade right here because it looks appealing. Directly to the left of that right here, you see we shot up pretty big. So I'm like, okay, cool. I'm confident in entering this one. And honestly, that's the difference, guys. Like, this trade went, cool. That's the difference. Like, you see, I'm doing $600 a pop, right? That was $1,500. You just saw it there, but I'm doing $600 a pop right now because I'm more confident. Look at the account size. I mean, why not? You know. But even when I got smaller accounts, I'm doing, riskier stuff, but I'm doing high probability setups like the one you're seeing on the screen right now, right? Outside the Keltner channel, stochastic is high, right? The first one, this was for news actually. So I did check news, and I seen, okay, that we do have news. So I was like, let me go ahead and take that. I took the first one a little too early, so I decided to take this one, and we got that drop that we needed. You know what I'm saying? Outside the Keltner joint, look at all the zones at the top. Why wouldn't I be confident in taking that? You know what I'm saying? So got that count to 36, 6K, made 2,600 that day. All right, easy money. All right, that's first day. So now we on second day. Outside the Keltner on this one, looking to the left, finding zones. Stochastic was pretty high. So now I'm marking up more zones just in case the market continues up. And I always recommend doing that. Going to a higher time frame, marking up more zones just in case we continue to push. But lucky for me, we didn't continue to push and I got that paper. You feel me? So I was up 1,600 because I already placed some trades earlier before I recorded, which I forgot to record. So I was like, let me go ahead and record. You feel me? But yeah, so this is the best way to have more confidence, guys. Like, mark your zones up, check the M15, mark up higher time frame zones. Those are going to be your strongest ones, and just trade with confidence. All right, so I did place another trade here based off the M15 zones. Stochastic was low, you know what I mean? I recommend as well, if you're starting with a small account, only risk a certain amount. Again, if you're starting with 150, risk the 50 in small increments of $5 and $10. After that, the more you go in profit, risk profit only. You know what I mean? And just do it like that. So that got me to 39K. I was up 2,100 that day. All right. Easy money for the past 2 days. Up nice. 2,600 the first day, 2,100 next day. And then now we're on the third day. All right. Which is another $2,000 day. And I did, withdraw 20,000 after this. All right. So you got to pay yourself. This is my second time paying myself. So once this hit my account, that'll be another 40,000 up from this. It's just a crazy flip, y'all. I've just been doing this. Same stuff I teach y'all is the same stuff. So when people try to complain and say stuff don't work or the system ain't working or the strategies don't work, I'll just laugh. I'm just going to laugh at you. I'll probably ignore you, honestly, or I'll try to give you the best advice I can, because by this time I'm like, bro, I'm doing it every day, so there's no way you can tell me that it's not working or it doesn't work. You're just not doing something right. You know what I mean? And a lot of the time it's you. It's not me. It's not the strategy. It's you. So that's kind of what I'm doing. You know what I mean? I do the same stuff every day. And the people who trade with me know that. Same stuff every day. Nothing, no secret sauce, no special, nothing. Same stuff I tell you outside the Keltner zones. That's it. You know what I mean? So this trade right here got me to 40,000. And originally I was going to take, 20 out right there. But I was like, let me do one more. So I found another setup that had a lot of zones to the left, and I was like, let me take this one. The stochastic was not high on this one, I don't think. This is M15. I think I took it based off the M15 because I saw the zones was up there. And since it was at the zones, I was like more confident. I did not think this was gonna go. Like, I got this, look, it would say 0, and then it gave me profit. And I was like, what? So I guess at the very last, under the second or whatever, it went. And so that was a $2,000 day. So then I was like, cool, it's time for me to get up out of here. So now you see me withdrawing the 20 bands. You feel me? And it felt good, man, to do this. So I had to put in my pin code, put that in, and boom, that's all she wrote. All right. So this is what I like to, tell y'all, is that this trading thing is a blessing. Do not squander this blessing. All right. Let me go back to my chart right quick. All right, y'all. So now we actually on the chart, man. And this is real time now because the other stuff was screen recorded. But this is actually today. This is what I made, and as you can see, my balance is back down to 21,000. Again, it feels so good to grow your account big. Now, these are the lessons that I've learned over time, y'all. Do not let your emotions get in the way. All right. Many times our emotions get in the way on these charts, and we start overthinking stuff. Like, trade the same way every day. Trade the same way every day. Do not force trades. If the market is looking small candles like this and it's not really looking like your setup, but you just feel like you're not really sure, don't take those trades. Only take your setup, right? My only setup that I love, I got two, right? outside the Keltner and zones. That's it. Like clear channel, I was doing it and it does work. I just had to stick to 2 solid ones. I said, let me stick to 2 solid ones. So I kind of put that by the wayside. And if it works for you, it works. You don't have to do every single thing I do. Do what works for you and stick to that. I told you guys the only difference between me and you right now is that this right here. My mindset, of course, and me changing this. We know the same setups. I teach this all the time. Y'all know outside the Keltner, right? The difference between me and you is you might do $2 right here. I might do $15 right here. You know what I'm saying? You might do $10 here. I might do 110. And we might have the same account size. You know what I'm saying? Like, it don't matter. Like, you can easily say, oh, that's because you risking a lot more because you got so much in your account. No, because when I had 150, I risked pretty much half of that. You know what I'm saying? But the probability of me winning goes way up because of the same setup I take every day. Look, one right after the other. And again, back testing is going to show you that this strategy is gold, bro. It's gold. This in zone's gold. Right? Look at that. Outside the Keltner, buy. Peaked outside the Keltner, another buy. Peaked outside here, sell. You know, anytime we get that like automatic, and then you will have some, again, that is gonna be like this. Well, nah, you don't. Look at this. Money. All right. Outside the Keltner, sell, money. Outside the Keltner, 1 minute sell, money. All the way up. And it's a clear channel as well. You know what I'm saying? So why am I not taking this setup every day? When people are like, oh, do you show your losses? I'm like, bro, I don't lose much. I don't lose much. I might have 1 losing day, or I think I had, 2 losing days out of this whole flip? Maybe. Or maybe 1. Maybe 1 or 2 out of this whole flip. Why? Because I only take this setup. And if you go through the chart and you look at this setup, you're like, dang, it don't really lose that much. Every time we come out the Keltner, we end up going in somehow. And if you pair that up with zones, money bags. You know what I'm saying? Money bag. Look at this. Look at this. Every time we peaked out, all these sales, bro. Money bag. And it don't matter where I go. I'm gonna go somewhere else. I'm gonna just go to Euro K. Anything. It don't matter. I'll go to Euro JPY. Just look at the chart. Look. I'm just going to them so y'all can see. GBP. Outside the Keltner, sales. Outside the Keltner, buys. Every time. Look. Sell. Like, how why do I not have a long winning streak? I should. You know what I'm saying? Now, a lot of stuff that could be messing you up as well is you might be going too crazy on the first entry. You know what I'm saying? It just really depends. Sometimes I might go $100 on the first one, and by the time we get to that second entry, if it look like a good enough zone, I'm gonna load up. You know what I mean? If I could see, look, like this one. If I could see in this area right here that we bounced multiple times heavy, we got 4 or 5 candles here and about 9-10 candles here. Once we get back down to this area, I'm loading up. Why not? It actually shot way up here after this. Kind of messed me up right there. But yeah, after this, it shot straight up. But from the same thing, we had the same thing. This one pulled back as well and shot straight up. But why not 1 minute? All I need is 1 minute out the whole situation. You know what I mean? So don't overcomplicate this stuff, y'all. There's no such thing as special sauce. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is it. This is the basics, bro. I'm using the basic knowledge in trading and I'm flipping. The thing I've learned in here is self-control and discipline. If you want some sauce, that's the sauce. Self-control and discipline. That's it. I know when to get off. I know when to stop. I'll make, even if I only made $174, if it was a rough day, I'm taking that and I'm leaving. I'm not gonna keep trying to force it. I'm not trying to revenge trade and get money back. I'm learning how to accept the loss for the day. I'm coming back and I'm taking the exact same setup again the next day. One or the other. Either I'm gonna take zones or I'm gonna take outside the Keltner, 10 for the win. But my 10 for the win has been lately 1 minute because I've just been on 1 minute trades lately. You know what I'm saying? That's it. 10 for the win, zones, basically. Outside the Keltner, sell. Outside the Keltner, sell. Outside the Keltner at the bottom, buys. All day, bro. Look at this. How many, why am I not winning then? You know what I'm saying? I should win. With setups like that and percentages like that, you should win. Every chart I click, it don't matter if I go to OTC, I'm gonna click on the OTC. Outside the Keltner buys, outside the Keltner buy, outside the Keltner sell. Like, what are you talking about? So again, get yourself together in these charts. Stop over trading. All right. Learn how to go on a food fast or something to get some self-control, because that's what's been helping me. I fast now every week. Every Wednesday, which is today, me and my wife fast. And we fasting right now, which I ain't supposed to be telling y'all that, but it is what it is. But yeah, fast every week. You know what I'm saying? Once a week. From the morning, I don't eat lunch, and then we'll eat dinner. And that's on every Wednesday. So, and we pray in that time. I'll trade, of course, make a video or something, and then I'll make sure I pray and just talk to God like, yo, get rid of this, this impulsiveness, me just ready to just jump in the chart and do anything, or not knowing when to stop, and just wanting greed, just being greedy. Like, get rid of all that, Lord. Like, you know what I'm saying? Remove all that from me. And that's what I pray for all the time. And I've been in my bag lately. He can trust me with more because now I've learned how to master myself. You know what I'm saying? That's just like some people, like when you think about it, like when people who want to stop eating certain desserts or food, if you keep buying the food and you keep it in your house, you're going to keep indulging in it. Get it out of your house, and then you won't indulge in it no more. You know what I'm saying? That was the same with me. I love sweets. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting off on a tangent, but listen, I love sweets. And I could not stop eating them when they was in the house. But the moment we stopped buying it, I stopped eating it. So whatever wife would buy that was healthy, that was like a healthier option, I would eat it. Same way in these charts, y'all. Like, when you in here and you had those desires to overtrade or revenge trade, eventually the more you fast from food and you can say no to that, you'll be able to come in here and say, you know what? I made 200 today. I'm good. I'm done. I'm not even gonna look at the chart no more. If I walk past it again, I'm about to just exit it out because it ain't no point. I made my money for the day. I'm good. I'm gonna leave it alone. All right. So again, master you. That's it. You got the strategies. Get the self-control. Get the discipline. Stop making impulsive decisions. Just being jittery and so excited to hop in and just start going crazy and then blowing everything every time. I know you're getting tired of it. This world is coming to a halt in a minute. Like, I know y'all been seeing all the stuff that's been coming out in these movies. If you ain't, go watch Leave the World Behind. Go watch 0 Day and go watch Paradise on Hulu. If you want to see what's really going on and what they got planned, that's exactly what they got planned. You know what I'm saying? So it's coming, and y'all need to be prepared for it. You dig? But that's me going off on a tangent. Again, I'm going to holler at y'all. I love y'all. Lord willing, I'll see you on another video. But get that sales on 2.0 from today to March 14th. I'm going to holler at y'all. Peace.